The average SUV costs nearly 10 grand a year once you factor in payments, insurance, and repairs. But some SUVs quietly run 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles with nothing but basic maintenance. Today, I'm counting down 10 bulletproof SUVs that save you money on repairs, insurance, and depreciation. And at the end, 2 popular SUVs you should absolutely avoid. Let's jump in. Number 10. Toyota 4Runner. The 4Runner is an off-road legend that refuses to die. A simple, proven 4.0L V6, a rock-solid 5-speed automatic, and old-school truck construction. Hitting 300k miles is normal. Resale value is insane. 10-year-old. Models with 150k miles still sell for 25 to 30k. Downside? Poor fuel economy and an older interior. Best years, 2010-2024. Number 9. Mazda CX-9. If you want a 3-row SUV that actually drives well, the CX-9 is it. The 2.5L turbo has proven surprisingly durable, often hitting 150k, 200k miles. Interior quality feels near luxury, and the 6-speed automatic is reliable. Best years, 2016 to 2024. Number 8. Subaru Outback. The Outback is a rugged wagon that just keeps going. Standard AWD, great safety ratings, and 200k plus miles with simple maintenance. Insurance costs stay low thanks to top crash scores. Best years, 2020-2022. Number 7. Acura RDX. The RDX is the most underrated luxury SUV in America. 2013-2010. Models use Honda's Bulletproof, 3.5L V6, and a durable 6-speed automatic. 200k miles? Easy. Insurance is often cheaper than non-luxury brands. Best years, 2013-2018 or 2019-2024. Number 6. Hyundai Santa Fe. Hyundai changed its reputation with a 10-year, 100k mile warranty. Real-world owners easily hit 200k miles. The 2.5L turbo pulls hard and gets solid MPG. Avoid the older 2013-2015 models with engine recalls. Best years, 2021-2024. Number 5. Mazda CX-5. Unlike most compact SUVs, the CX-5 uses a real 6-speed auto, not a CVT. That alone saves thousands in potential repairs. Great driving feel, upscale interior, and strong reliability ratings. Best years, 2019-2024. Number 4. Subaru Forester. The Forester scores near-perfect reliability. 98/100 from Consumer Reports. Subaru fixed old CVT issues. With regular fluid changes, this SUV easily passes 200k miles. Best years, 2019-2024. Number 3. Honda CR-V. The CR-V finally overtook the RAV4. Smooth 1.5L turbo, great MPG, and one of the most reliable CVTs on the market. Some older CR-Vs are approaching 500,000 miles. No joke. The hybrid version hits 40 mpg in the city. Best years, 2017-2024. Number 2. Lexus LX, 25 sec. Underneath the luxury, the LX is basically a Toyota Land Cruiser. These things hit 400k, 500k miles easily. Maintenance costs are far lower than German luxury SUVs, and depreciation is tiny. Best years, 2022-2024.